The Samsung Galaxy next big flagship level unpacked event has been leaked today. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as you know that Samsung first event of the year was the February 2022 when they officially announced the S22 series. After that they have announced the wacky Galaxy A series devices. And now we are on the way to the most hottest folding phones in the world, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4. Plus there will be more surprises at this unpacked event. According to the latest leak coming from John Poser, who has a great track record when it comes to Apple and Samsung news. According to his leak, the unpacked event will be held in the month of August. Particularly the August 10 is going to be the launch date when Samsung is finally going to be announcing next big flagship level foldable devices alongside with a new S22 series lavender color. Basically, this is going to be an interesting choice of a color. I do hope that Samsung will bring down the pricing of its S22 series in order to compete with the likes of Pixel 7 and the upcoming iPhone 14 series. And moving forward, we are also going to see the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. Pre-orders for these devices will start on the same day, which is August 10, and then we are going to see these devices coming officially to the store on August 26. Samsung is planning a range of color for the Galaxy Z Flip 4, whereas the Fold 4 will be coming with same color option that we have seen in the Galaxy Z Fold 3. In case you don't know, here are the final specs with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The only thing that we don't know about these devices right now is the pricing. And pricing is the most important thing, and this year we could see possibly an even more drop in price, especially for the Fold 4, for which I am really looking forward to. As we know, Samsung is truly going out for this year release, and this time they can offer more storage options than ever before. According to the leaks coming from Sam Mobiles, the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be coming with a 512GB of main storage, whereas the Z Fold 4 will be coming with a 1TB of storage option for its foldable devices, which is the highest storage option you could find on both of these devices. This is great because now we are going to see 256GB as the base starting storage this year. The camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has been improved up to 50 megapixel, same as the S22 and S22 Plus, whereas the Z Flip 4 will be coming with same 12 megapixel camera sensor for its next Z Flip 4 device. Now, don't set your pricing expectation too high because the Z Flip 4 will probably start at $1,000, but in future, Samsung has planned to make the foldable very affordable. Yes, according to a recent rumor, Samsung is planning a Galaxy Fold which is coming in the A series model, and it could potentially will decrease the price of that particular device. Unfortunately, that A series foldable device is not going to be happening until 2024. I wish Samsung could make this happen by next year, but yeah, there's still a bit of watching to do. But also it's nice to hear that Samsung's eventual plan is to make the foldable smartphone affordable by all consumers. And guys, as far as the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro device is concerned, it's basically going to be coming with a massive battery capacity. It's going to be one of the largest battery capacity that is coming for the Watch 5 Pro. So definitely it will have much larger backup time as compared to the smartwatches currently available. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.